Hello friends, today's unboxing is really close to my heart. We've got a sturdy wooden corner shelf that's going to hold something very special. Be sure to check the video description for the shop link to see where I got it from. As we unbox this beauty, you can see the craftsmanship and the solid wood that promises durability. This isn't just any shelf, it's going to be the new home for a blessed figurine that means the world to us. To ensure this shelf stays securely on the wall, we'll be using some robust corner shelf brackets. It's important to choose the right hardware for installation to make sure our precious items are safe. And here's it, the final result. Look at how this wooden corner shelf adds a touch of elegance to the room. It's not just about functionality, it's about creating a space that feels complete. Thanks for joining me in this little journey. If you're looking for a corner shelf that's both sturdy and stylish, I highly recommend this one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay inspired.